What is going on, YouTube world, Derby world, race world? Today brings us back to Richmond for today the USA Demolition Derby Championship taking place. They got the front wheel drive class and the rear wheel drive class. It is a packed pit. There's cars everywhere back here. Looks like it is going to be a great show. About an hour and a half, almost 2 hours before the show starts. Apologize for the wind, it's kind of windy, but let's give a little tour of all the cars back here. See what kind of action we got. A couple of rear-wheel drive cars. They're teching right now. Kevin Newhouse. Street stock car. There's a lot of stock here. A lot of stock. That's a big bumper. It's Kevin Newhouse. He came all the way from northern Michigan, up Alpena. Another street stock. Backwoods. We follow them around quite a bit too. How's it going? All right. Nice to see you here.
Yeah, I figured I'd change it up a little bit.
Good van?
Instead of aluminum.
We've seen a lot of vans run this year in derbies.
Yeah, they're easy to come by.
Harder than heck too.
Yeah.
Huh?
They made a lot of them.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, like I was saying, probably 20.
Another stop. It's a nice van. Pretty clean. Town and country van too. Oh, he's going backwards. That's kind of cool. Joey Folsky. Huh. Oh, it's Ron Deveroy. That's a heck of a front end, man. Another van. This one ran in Sandusky too. Oh, he took the trunk lid off. Oh, that looks hard as a rock. My gosh, that's packed in so tight. Oh. Wow. Oh, he's got Snoopy. That's kind of cool. Little Tweety on the top there. pits are packed. Very full show. This is a stock. This is Cody Ayers that's driving this Explorer. Oh no, he's driving that one. Hey, good luck with it.
Thank you.
How many hours you got into it? One day?
About 2 weeks. 2 couple hours a night.
It's a tank.
Yeah. not much left on it.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Got a lot of crunching power on the butt end of it, so.
Yeah.
This is Joey Folsky's car he ran down at Metal Mayhem, I think, also. Last weekend. I apologize. Here's Alan Malone's Lumina he's driving. He usually runs the figure 8, big car figure 8, but he is running compact Lumina tonight. Pretty cool. There's Trevor's car he ran at Spring X and Munger. He's running at the championship now. A lot of life left of that. We're gonna walk up this way.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good.
Packed house.
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, this guy. Wow. That's a tank. My gosh. Oh, Gamer, huh? Steve Gamer, I believe that is. Pretty sure. Gotta let him get down. Track. Paint her at the track. That's the way you do it. Paint her at the track. We're gonna make our way up this way. These cars right up here. Chuck Senior's son driving this one. There's Alex Prill. He drove this one in Sandusky. We were there at that show. This is the same car he ran there. He's gonna finish her off hopefully here, the championship. C6. Yeah, these cars are so packed together, I can't get real close to them. Another minivan. Another stock. And John Corporal, he ran this at Munger Potato Festival back in July. Looks like he bent her down a little bit, straightened it up a little bit on the back. Jason, what up? And we got a couple more to run through up here. What's up?
How you doing?
All right, you? And Jason Golf's car. Got his figure 8 car too from last night. He's got his derby car here. What up? Oh, not a whole lot. It was a short night. I only got like 3 hours of sleep.
Yeah. Hey, welcome to my house.
I didn't get to bed until 1:30. Woke up about 5.
Yeah.
Then drove back down 200 miles away, roughly.
Jeez.
Yeah. Hey, I've never missed the championship in 4 decades. I've been coming to them, so I'm not now.
Right.
Not gonna happen.
Well, you videoing all this cheating?
No. Modification, that's what we're calling it. Creation, right?
Right.
Creation. Good luck, guys.
Thanks.
Here's the track they're going to be playing on right here. We're right beside it. Going to be filming it all up there. Right there's the track. About an hour time. Going to be playing on. And there you go, guys. The complete look at the lineup in the pits of the 2021 USA Demolition Derby State Championship in Richmond, Michigan. Stay tuned for the videos, and by all means, if you haven't done so, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit that little bell up in the upper right corner to instantly be notified of any videos that are posted on my YouTube channel. Keep rocking that thunder. See ya.